Welcome. In front of me is a Navitel T787 and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Okay, so to get started we will be using, at least in my case, I will be using the little bit bigger version of the SIM card, not the, what is it, I think Nano. So this is like the between. Anyway, that being said, your tray is located on the top side of the device, where you have your charging port and a headphone jack, literally right between. And when it comes onto your SIM card, you'll be placing it, I believe, this way. Let's see. It only goes one way. Yeah, so yeah, that was the correct way. So just to show that again, you have the cutout right here. So when I'm holding it towards myself, and the screen is also towards me, the cutout is at the bottom right corner. And from there, just slide it down there. Now, I do recommend getting something thin, just so you can push the card all the way in. I don't have fingernails long enough to push it all the way, so that's what I'm using to kind of make sure that it latches in there. There is a little bit of a click once it reaches the locking point. It probably won't be audible on the camera, but you can see that it just won't be coming out anymore. So there we go. And SD card goes right next to it, so just try to get rid of this. There we go. I think that's the correct way. There we go. And same as the SIM, just push it down. It latches in, and that's it. Now to take it out, all you do is push it again, and it will click out, and as you can see, you can now grab it. Now, one thing, at least that I experienced with my version right here, if you put the SIM and SD card in correctly, it will just kind of go at an angle, as you can see. If it's not like sliding in there nicely, don't force it in. If it just feels like something is getting in the way, then it's incorrect, as probably you can also see based on an angle of the card. This is not the right way. So the tray here is a little bit on a garbage side. So just make sure you find the correct way. It should relatively easily fall almost all the way in, as you can see, and from there have this kind of like spring-loaded effect. If you have this, then that's great, then push it all the way in, it will lock in place. If it's not giving you that, then don't force it in. It's probably not actually laying in the tray like it should be, so like I said, don't force it in. Now when it comes down to the SD card, it will work fine for me. The SIM card seems to not be working. It could be that I need to reboot the device. There we go. So just to kind of showcase this, I can already see it. So we have the pop-up right here for the SD card. But if I go into the settings, it's not really detecting the SIM for some reason. Like I said, it could be that I need to reboot the device, or it could be that this device is just broken for me because it is a used tablet. So just to kind of showcase this, it's not really detecting any SIM right here. Anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.